Well, how's it going, YouTubers? As you can see, we're having some bad weather. Look at that. It's windy and rainy and crappy today, so can't do anything outside, that's for sure. So I think we're just gonna camp out in the van today and cook some lasagna. Lazy lasagna. Yeah, it no doubt is crappy weather outside, so we're just gonna do a little cozy camping in the van. You know, when you can't go outside and have fun, you gotta, you know, do something fun inside. And I like cooking, I like eating, so welcome to another edition of Cooking with a Fat Guy in a Van. So we're going to do this a little different here. As you can see, I've got all the ingredients to make lasagna. I did have a casualty. As you can see, my green pepper went bad, so I can't use the green pepper for this because it's bad, but we do have some garlic, some onions, some cheese, some Parmesan cheese, some ricotta cheese, some burger. We also have some pasta sauce. I got two different kinds of pasta sauce here. You can see, you know, this is just sauce I got from the store, and then I got some of this stuff, which is cooking stock. So we're going to use some beef cooking stock in that. And we're going to do this all in one pan. We're going to do this in the cast iron on the stove here. And I was planning to do this over a fire. But obviously, as you've seen outside, it's not exactly good outside camping weather today. So we're just going to do it all in one pot. We're going to do it here on the stove. And it's probably going to be fantastic. I've never done this before. I've never tried this recipe. But I mean, you can't really go wrong with lasagna. You know, I've made lasagna soup before. I've just never made lazy lasagna, which is what this is called. So they call this lazy lasagna because it's all in one pan, all in one shot here. It makes it easy cleanup, and easy to eat. So we're gonna give that a shot here and see how that turns out today. letting that guy simmer, let's take a look at the state of things here. It's probably really windy, but I want to show you these clouds because they're awesome looking. Look at those clouds in the mountains right there. The lake is just going nuts. It's crazy out here. Old chupacabra in the trees. Hopefully none of these trees fall. I can't wait for dinner though. Let's take a look at it here. Oh yeah, they're getting softer. Turn it down a little bit, let it simmer a little longer. Oh yeah, those are soft. So this is lasagna, and you're supposed to go kind of cheese crazy with lasagna, so I am going to go cheese crazy with this lasagna. I do have some Italian style cheese and some mozzarella cheese. Once the noodles are cooked in that completely, we're gonna put that stuff on there, and I'm also gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on there, just because I said we're going cheese crazy with it. So lasagna usually has a lot of cheese, and we're not layering it or anything like that, so I'm just gonna put all that stuff on top, and I'm gonna cover it with the lid, and I'm gonna let it melt to make like a big layer of cheese on the top of it. It's going to be ooey gooey and fantastic. So yeah, we're going to do that here in a few minutes. Some mozzarella on there. Italian. Put the lid back on. Oh guys, look how fantastic that looks. Look at all that melty cheese. ahead and shut it off. Oh yeah, look how cheesy that is. There's some meat on top of it. I mean, look at that. Holy jeebus. Put it back on it. So we're gonna do a little extra cheese on top. Not like we need it. Extra shredded. And I do have some ricotta cheese. We'll throw some of that on there. Big old dollop of that. I mean, how good does this look, really? I mean, all one skillet, bro. Even a cast iron skillet, even. So, you know, best part about cooking anything is eating it. So let's give it a shot with a little bit of everything in it. So this is a bite with a little bit of everything in it. Cheesy. I mean, it smells delicious. I mean, the only heartbreaker about this whole situation so far is that my green pepper went bad. You know, lasagna is not lasagna without green pepper, but we'll take what we can get in this situation. Yeah, just as good as any other lasagna I've ever had in my life. And I used 2 pounds of meat in this just because, you know, lasagna is usually pretty meat forward. And those oven ready lasagna noodles, those work perfectly in this. Like I said, I've never done this before. I mean, I've made lasagna, but I've never made lazy lasagna. But I've never made lazy lasagna in one pot. So, man, this turned out fantastic, and it was so easy. I mean, this probably took me maybe 35 minutes to do. And I cooked a lot of it because who the hell doesn't like lasagna leftovers? I mean, I surely do. I'm going to be eating off this stuff probably all weekend. You know, I did mean to do some outdoors camping, and I meant to cook this over a fire, but with the weather like it is outside, you know, that's not happening. So it's chilly today, it's chilly tomorrow, it was chilly yesterday. So we're just enjoying a cozy day in the van with some lasagna here. And I have to say that this is probably the best meal I've cooked in this van in probably 6 months. Yeah, the only thing that would make this meal better is some kind of garlic bread, but don't really need it. You know, usually when you cook lasagna, you know, you gotta bake it for like an hour or 2 hours, or, you know, it takes so long to make lasagna usually. You know, from the time I hit record on this camera to the time I stuck my fork in my mouth, it was probably like 35 minutes. Just make sure you get those oven ready noodles, lasagna noodles, and, you know, this cooks up pretty quick. So, alright guys, I'm gonna finish up my food here. I hope you all liked watching me cooking some lazy lasagna here today. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Cooking with a Fat Guy in a Van, and I will catch you guys on the next adventure.